Hugh Taylor Putty, but you can call me Hughie.
And my name is Young Sefa. Aloha my mom, my ile.
Tafaoga! Coming up on today's episode.
Today we're on the water to check out some of the best kayaking spots in Samoa and quickly learn how to swim.
Help! Help me!
Then we visit a farm in Savai'i and try our hand at some cattle wrangling.
Get him!
And then maybe look for some new shoes for Sefa.
Our first adventure takes us to Manonouta on the west coast of Upolu. Between the two main islands of Upolu and Savai'i lies the smaller islands of Manono and Apolima, and nestled in between them is the even smaller island of Nu'ulopa.
Today we're going to be kayaking from Vasa resort to Nu'ulopa, also known as Bat Island, a tiny scenic island uninhabited but is a thriving sanctuary for fruit bats. Let's get into it.
Hey, boys.
Hello, boys.
Let's meet our guides, Kendall and Dalton.
Okay, break it down. What do we need to know when we're on the water?
Vasa's number one golden rule is safety. We have life jackets, just in case if anyone can't swim. You guys both know how to swim, right?
I can swim. Sefa, can you swim?
I don't swim on Sunday, but I think I'll be all right.
So let's go, let's have some fun. Woo! All right, first things first, life jackets. There you go.
Thank you very much.
So one size fits all?
Yep.
Okay, I don't think this fits me, guys.
Oi, sorry. One size fits most stuff. Breathe in, breathe in.
Got big muscles.
Kendall, you hold.
I think I might have enjoyed our last show, Kuka, a little bit too much.
I agree.
Way too much food at Kuka.
That's too much, but I'm ready to go.
Let's roll. So this is your guys' boat.
Okay.
And it has two nice chairs, really good for back support.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
so how do we get in the water?
You carry it, obviously.
Okay, on that note.
So the journey to Nu'ulopa is a couple of hours on the water, but the cool thing is, you don't really need kayaking experience. It's pretty safe and the view is amazing.
So we got to chat to a couple of young fishermen. They were going out whāmoka, or they were going out fishing, and we asked them about a few tips. They said, don't fall in. Probably a really good tip, to be fair. Okay, boys, move it up.
And it was at this moment he knew he focused too much on keeping his beard dry. Well, we did take a bit of a tumble, but we've just got to get back on the horse, right? I'm glad Kendall and Dalton think it was funny.
We're trying to catch the sunset over the tiny islands across the lagoon, so if we can stay afloat, we'll catch some pretty awesome scenery.
Okay, so we're about halfway between Polu and Nu'ulopa. The water is beautiful, but we are quite tired.
Yes, it's very hard carrying this team. I'm the power behind this kayak. What a great experience.
Hey, you're the anchor. You're the anchor.
I'm not doing much.
I'm not gonna lie, we did take a fall. It was embarrassing, but you know, we're okay now. We got over it. It was mainly Sefa's fault.
Yeah.
But
good thing we took that dip over there in the shallow side, because if it was out here, yeah, then we would have to depend on Dalton and Kendall to save us, which they were laughing at us while we were taking a dip.
I don't think there's a golden rule about safety with those two. I don't think they
like,
care.
safety first, and they were cracking up.
You know what they say? It's not about how many times you fall or how hard you fall. It's about how many times you get back up and fall again. And again.
Help me! We're just going to carry on going. We've got the beautiful sun, kind of the afternoon now, getting into evening. We're going to make it out to Nu'ulopa. We're going to be a beautiful sunset.
If you wanted to, there's also some great snorkeling around here too, but we'll save the snorkeling for another episode.
All right, Sefa. Let's go, Uzo.
Almost there.
Nearly there, nearly there. Ah, yes. Well done, man. Well done, we made it.
Took us a while.
Oh, man, that was amazing. Such a nice paddle, though.
Yeah, that really changed my life.
By about 5 kilos. So this is Nu'ulopa Island, and it's a bat colony, and it's one of the most beautiful small islands in Samoa.
Wow.
If you look up, you can see so many of these fruit bats. It's amazing.
They're all coming out when we came out.
All these bats naturally stay out here, eat all the fruit trees, and they go out inland during the evening and come back during the morning.
So if you're up for a bit of adventure and not afraid to get a little wet, we highly recommend this kayaking experience.
And malo lava to our guides Kendo and Dalton for getting us here safely. Those guys are hilarious.
That's right, Candle brought the fire. Back on the main island, we continue driving around about an hour towards the Lefanga district in the south of Upolu for some more kayaking at the lovely Sataoa beach Fales.
But this time with a distinctly different backdrop, we're kayaking through one of the largest mangrove forests in Samoa.
Now, a lot of people, when they think of coming to Samoa, they think of beaches and hotels. But I tell you what, we have some amazing mangroves. They're full of bird and sea life. They go for kilometers and they are just beautiful.
So majestic here. I can hear my ancestors and brothers.
Not only are there beautiful mangroves everywhere, there's fish jumping in the water, you can hear the doves, and it's just beautifully peaceful. All we can hear is just, well, yeah, just the bird sounds and just the trees.
So our guide was telling us that not far from here is the Malaitolo, a field of ducks. That's where they come and nest. But he said if we call out, they can cry back. So, quack, quack, quack. Oh, they're probably sleeping right now. So, of course, the toloa in English means duck. That's where the famous saying goes. Elelele toloa maut vai.
So what does that mean in English, bro?
It means no matter what you're doing in life, wherever you are, you can always come home and you're safe.
All right, then, if that's the case, then us three ducks are going to turn around and head home. We're a bit hungry now, Sefa.
Yeah.
From an experience perspective, this is definitely an easier kayak than open water kayaking that we experienced out to Manono. If you're a little bit older or not that confident a paddler, you can come out here and have a really good time. Even Sefa's killing it today, so yeah, let's catch up.
We're heading to Savai'i anyway, so we thought we'd pop into Vaimoana Seaside Lodge in Asal to check out some of the kayaking action on the Big Island.
When it comes to kayaking and paddling, what's good in Upolu can be even better in Savai'i. If you want unpopulated beaches, beautiful crystal clear waters and tons of sea life, come on down to Savai'i.
Plus, you'll get a way better view of the sunset on this side of Samoa.
From here, we decided to try something completely different. Following the South Coast Road, we travel about 50 kilometers to the Lata Plantation and farm.
We are here at the beautiful Lata Plantation, Samoa's oldest commercial farm.
This is where modern farming for commerce began way back in the 1800s, just like Hughie's beard.
That's right, and it's still just as beautiful as it was back then.
We're here with Boy. He is an orphan bull calf, and we're going to be feeding him and doing a lot of other really cool things at this plantation. His mother died giving birth to him, and he's been taken care of here at Lata Plantation. He's one of the bulls that's going to grow up to be one of these big animals walking around the paddocks. But right now,
I'm the new mother now. I'm gonna take care of you, boy.
he's a wait.
Hey, take it easy. So is boy a boy or a girl?
Well, let's just put it this way, if you were going to milk Boy, it would not be a good situation.
Boy, do you want to try it, Hughie?
Okay. Oh. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm okay. I had breakfast. I'm fine. Boy is done now. And get him!
No,
Yes, get him!
I'm your man. No. I thought we were friends.
Hey, come on, let's put you back. Let's put you back, Boy. Here we go.
Oh, what a good. Don't kick me.
Cow whisperer. Here we go.
Oh, yeah? Hughie! Hey, what the hell? I like these shoes.
So these cattle have to be moved to another paddock, and we're helping farmer Richard Witzel and team to wrangle the cows across the farm.
Walk up.
No cow left behind.
Sefa, you left one behind. Okay guys, so the cows are safely in the second paddock. Obviously, if we hadn't been here, it would have been, disaster. Sefa saved the day. It was a big job, wasn't it, mate?
Thank you very much. It's not easy work being a cowboy, but it's honest work. And let's head out to see more of the work that we got for today.
I tell you what, the best part about that whole experience, Sefa standing in more cow poo. Anyway, we can't muck around too long. There's a garden up there, a pretty large vegetable garden that we're going to go check out. So let's get walking, my friend.
Let's go.
Come on, let's do it.
Walk it off, Sefa, walk it off. Remember your training, Sefa.
Okay, so now we go from cow poo to chicken poo. Sefa, how are you going over there, my friend?
Bro, I am enjoying this very, very much. I'm a big fan of, starting a garden because, I believe that is where the money is. Oh. If you want to make money in Samoa, you got to go back to the land and plant.
So each one of these will grow into a 3 tala bush. So if you can count all of that, we're looking good.
Of course, this is not the only vegetables we have here. When we came in, we saw some string peas, and of course, isalaelu, or in English, Israel.
Perfect, you got it, man.
Oh, eggplants, that's the right word. Eggplants.
Eggplant,
Israel, yeah.
So this operation at Lata, it's mostly organic. It's very hard for a commercial farm to be completely organic, but these guys do a really great job. You can see there's a lot of chicken manure here, how it gets mixed in with the soil, and that's how they keep a lot of nutrients back into the farm, even though they've got some pretty intensive farming going on with these crops. These will be about a couple of months and they'll be ready to pick. And it's just really fun to get our hands dirty and to get into it, Sefa.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, I like it.
The Lata Plantation development has plenty of potential for tourism activities, and if you want to become a professional cattle wrangler like me, come and see these guys. They'll look after you.
It's a good day, my friend. Well done. It's a lot of hard work, huh?
You had water this whole time? What?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some water?
Oh man, that's better. Man, just nice cold, fresh water. Just joking. Nah, bro, here you go. This is Lata Plantation water. It's actually really, really nice. These guys have a bore on their farm, so there's no water holding or anything. It just goes straight in and then they chill it and send it out. So if you're around any hotels in Samoa or supermarkets, there's a high chance you'll see these bottles. It's actually one of their biggest exports from the farm.
That's true. They grow their own crops and of course they grow their own water. But if they water the plants with water, what do they use to water the water?
Come on, man. I'm going to go explain to Sefa how basic science works, and then we're going to carry on with the rest of our trip. We'll see you on the next episode of Tafaoga. Well, that's it from this week's edition of Tafaoga. Join us next episode to see if Sefa makes it into shore. You reckon you'd like to be a farmer, though?
I'd like some water.
Not enough, sorry.
Let's go.
From the team that brought you Kuka Season 2,
Young Sefa, baby.
they're back. Bigger, better, and a little heavier.
That's right, those two bad boys in the front, oh, they're pretty dangerous.
With all new adventures across beautiful Samoa in Tafaoga Season 2.
Are you sure that's your ball?
Join Hughie and Young Sefa as they take you off the beaten track, explore the bluest oceans, traverse scenic hideaways. It's paradise in our backyard, and the boys have come out to play. Season 2 of Tafaoga.
The sun is right there.
Experience our beautiful Samoa. Watch all episodes on Samoa Tourism social media channels.